Dental hygiene ideas to enhance your teeth. Brush and floss 2 times each day. When you should brush at least 1 time each day, 2 times each day is better. The optimum time to clean is once you consume a meal, and you ought to also floss simultaneously. You have to brush the teeth not less than 2 minutes, ensuring to cover all your teeth. Drink plenty of water. Water isn't just essential for your state of health, however it encourages saliva production that is essential for healthy teeth. Water can also be more healthy and for the teeth than sugary drinks and sodas. With time, bacteria in your teeth use sugar to produce plaque, which otherwise worked with may cause teeth decay. Avoid sugary foods. You shouldn't only focus on sugar in drinks, but additionally in your diet. Avoid eating lots of sugary foods and chocolate. Should you choose consume a lot of sugar, make certain you sweep the teeth well after consuming. Sugar greatly increases the of plaque in your teeth, and for those who have a sweet tooth it's vital that you be much more aware of how good you sweep the teeth.